Ever wondered why AWS dominates the cloud market? Let's explore this with a simple analogy. Imagine a city built entirely around electricity. AWS emerged as the first major cloud provider in 2006. Before this, companies built their own costly and difficult to maintain IT infrastructure. AWS offered a revolutionary idea. Instead of building your own, simply plug into their vast, on demand infrastructure. This provided cheap, scalable, and maintenance free computing power. As more businesses adopted AWS, the city grew, with AWS continuously adding new services like EC2 for compute, S3 for storage, and RDS for databases. This early start gave AWS a massive advantage, allowing them to build a huge global network with 36 regions and 114 availability zones by late 2025. AWS offers over 535 services, providing every tool imaginable, from AI and containers to diverse storage and robust security solutions. Big companies trust AWS due to its exceptional reliability and adherence to strict security standards, ensuring minimal downtime and robust protection. AWS dominates not by being the cheapest, but by building the most extensive infrastructure, the most tools, and the most reliable and trusted cloud system. Choosing AWS is like moving into the world's most advanced and reliable city, where everything you need is already built and ready. If this helped you understand AWS in a simple way, subscribe for more real-life explanations of cloud concepts with no jargon, just clarity.